Hello viewers. Welcome to Niger Joint Learn YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates on school news, JAM, WAEC, NECO, GCE and scholarships. How to use awaiting result to gain admission. Can I gain admission with an awaiting result? Which university accepts awaiting result? This is the recent questions among some candidates. If you are in the category of those using awaiting results, then this video is rightly for you. Some candidates that wish to apply for one school or the other but find it difficult to do so because of the issue of awaiting result. Now, what is an awaiting result? Awaiting result is simply an O-level result that is yet to be released. In other words, it is an SSCE result which has not been uploaded by the examination body, for example, WAEC, NECO, WAEC, GCE or NECO, GCE. If you have sat for any of these examinations and you haven't seen your result, you simply have an awaiting result. Now, I strongly believe you understand the meaning of awaiting results. I shall proceed to the main question of the day, universities that accepts awaiting result for admission, full list. The list of universities that accept awaiting results for admission has long been provided for quite some time. The only problem is that candidates fail to follow instructions and proper information. Don't be surprised, UI, OAU, Unilag, Unilarin, LASU, OOU, Uniben, Uniport, Unicol, and others all accept awaiting result for admission. The only thing candidate must ensure is that they use awaiting results the right way so as not to forfeit the admission offered to them. The question that comes to the mind is, how can I use awaiting result to gain admission? That is exactly what I'm about to show you. How to use awaiting results to gain admission. Like I said earlier, you can register for JAM with awaiting results and gain admission with it successfully. You don't need to wait for an extra year at home because of the issue of awaiting results. All you have to do is to upload it to the JAM portal when the result is released. However, you must upload it before your desired institution releases her post-datum screening form. If not, there is no admission for you. If you can do as instructed by JAM by uploading it before admission processes commence in your desired school, you are good to go. Please spread the love, help others by sharing.